Hey, if you're thinking about moving to Ottawa, one of the biggest questions you're probably asking is, where should I live? Ottawa has dozens of neighborhoods, and each one offers something a little bit different depending on your lifestyle, your commute, and of course your budget. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the best places in Ottawa to live and explain what makes each area unique so that you can decide which one might be the right fit for you. And by the way, if you're thinking about buying, selling, investing, or relocating to Ottawa, I have people just like you reaching out to me every single week to help them with their next move. I would love to have a private conversation with you to see how I can help you to avoid any mistakes and be properly guided throughout this entire process. If you would like to have a private conversation, click on the link in the description or contact me here. All right, let's jump into some of the best areas in Ottawa to live. First up, Barrhaven, which has become one of the most popular suburbs for families moving to Ottawa. Barrhaven offers a lot of newer homes, great schools and parks, and plenty of shopping areas like Chapman Mills Marketplace. It's also very convenient for commuting thanks to Highway 416 and the growing transit options. If you're looking for a family-friendly suburb with lots of amenities, Barrhaven is definitely going to be worth checking out. Another extremely popular suburb is Kanata, especially for people working in the high-tech sector. Kanata is home to a large number of tech companies and offers a wide variety of housing options, from newer subdivisions to established neighborhoods. You'll also find lots of parks, schools, major shopping centers like Kanata Centrum. For many buyers, Kanata offers a great balance between career opportunities and suburban living. Now, if you're looking on the east side of the city, Orléans is a fantastic option. Orléans is known for its strong community feel, its great schools, and access to the Ottawa River pathway system. Many people also appreciate the bilingual culture and a mix of housing styles throughout the area. It's a very well-established community that continues to attract families and professionals moving to Ottawa. Now, if you're looking for something with a little more charm and character, Manotick is a beautiful village just south of the city. Manotick offers the small town atmosphere with boutique shops, restaurants, and scenic views along the Rideau River. Homes often sit on larger lots, and community has a very relaxed upscale feel. For buyers looking for village living close to the city, Manotick is incredibly appealing. Another area that has become super popular recently is Richmond Village. Richmond offers a quieter lifestyle with a strong sense of community while still being within driving distance of Kanata and downtown Ottawa. There are also several newer communities being developed here, including Fox Run by Kaivan Communities. Many buyers love Richmond because it offers a small town feel with newer homes and growing amenities. Another fast-growing area worth mentioning is Riverside South. This neighborhood has seen a lot of development in recent years and continues to attract families and professionals. One big advantage is the future expansion of Ottawa's light rail system, which will improve access to downtown. Riverside South combines newer homes, parks, and access to nature along the Rideau River. Finally, if you're looking for something closer to the city with a more urban vibe, Westboro is one of the most desirable areas. Westboro is known for its trendy restaurants, shops, and access to the Ottawa River pathways. It's a fantastic area for people who want to be close to the downtown while still enjoying parks, outdoor activities, and the vibrant neighborhood atmosphere. As you can see, these are just some of Ottawa's wide variety of neighborhoods, and the right one for you really depends on your lifestyle, your commute, and the type of home you're looking for. Some people prefer a quiet suburban lifestyle, while others want to be closer to the energy of the city. And again, hey, if you're thinking about buying, selling, investing, or relocating to Ottawa, I would love to help guide you through that process. Feel free to reach out anytime. My contact information is in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos about living and exploring in different neighborhoods throughout the city of Ottawa.